Yo, man, welcome to my route today. Here we are, top 2021 in Bermuda, you know what I mean? You know, day after my birthday, just showing little flax, just came visit moms. But yeah, man, here we are. What I'm gonna do is take you through a walkthrough of Leopards Club, you know? Big things are going, you know? Alright? All my fans, make sure you like and subscribe. You ain't been fucking, get to my shit. Shit's real. I'm bringing like a boss. I'm gonna get a little show of the place. Bang, coming out the bathroom. So you have the bar, the fucking Leopards Club, Gunner's Lounge. Bang, that nice vibe. You check it out. Come out here, cause where the next time I come here, I'll be putting up my fucking poster here. I should put out one now, but bang, you know. Check out the bar. In her, just we had the couples breakfast, you know what I mean? Corona times, everybody's locked off, you know? Couples breakfast over here. And then bang, then you had the office, and then we go back up to the bar. Outside bar. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And then bang.